Are you tired of spending hours making citation lists? Let's talk about EndNote and whether it's worth your money. EndNote is a citation tool that helps students and researchers manage their references. Think of it like a smart filing cabinet for all your sources. You can store articles, books, websites, and other sources in one place. Then it creates your citation list automatically. So what does EndNote actually do? First, it connects to research databases and pulls in source info instantly. No more typing out author names and publication dates by hand. Second, it has over 6,000 citation styles built in: APA, MLA, Chicago, whatever you need. Third, it works with Microsoft Word, so you can add citations while you write. Fourth, it finds full-text PDFs automatically. And fifth, you can share your research library with team members. The biggest win with EndNote is time saving. What used to take hours now takes minutes. The Word plugin is smooth and reliable. You get unlimited storage space, which is great for big research projects. The PDF search feature actually works well. You can find specific codes inside your saved papers, and customer support is solid when you need help. But there are downsides. The biggest one, price. EndNote costs around $250 for the full version. That's steep for students on a budget. The learning curve is also pretty steep. It takes time to figure out all the features. The interface feels old and clunky compared to newer tools, and syncing between devices can be buggy sometimes. Speaking of other options, Zotero is completely free and does most of what EndNote does. Mendeley is also free with good collaboration features. Both are easier to learn but have fewer advanced features. So is EndNote worth it? If you're a serious researcher or graduate student who writes a lot of papers, yes, the time saving pay for themselves. But if you're an undergrad or casual user, try Zotero first. It might be all you need without the hefty price tag. What citation tool do you use? Drop a comment below and let me know your experience. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.